Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit send mail in Outlook. It's pretty easy. First of all, I'm using Outlook Classic. So you need to open your Outlook Classic, and once you do that, simply click on this little icon to open the side menu. Here, click on send mail, and you should be able to see all of your sent mails. And just here, you need to double click on the mail you would like to edit. Then the new window will open. Here we need to click on file. Simply look for the option, this one, resend or recall. Open the drop down and select the option recall this message. Right here, select this one, delete unread copies and replace with new messages. Select OK, and now you will able to edit whatever you want. Like let's say I want to delete this one, I can delete that. I can also change things right here, and once I'm done, I can simply click on the option send, and that way we'll able to edit the send mail in Outlook. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.